So this is a quick demonstration of the double button on Perform VE. So if you press the double button, it turns on the double effect. So in this effect, you have basically 4 different effects. You've got unison doubling. So that sounds like you basically double track your voice with the same pitch, same everything. So like you sang the thing twice. Yeah, 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 yeah. The next effect is an octave down. Ooh. This is an octave up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is an octave up and down. Yeah. If you want to adjust the level of that, you hold the corner of the button, and you can see what the level is, and it's very high there. That's full blast, and here I'm turning it down. There, so that's up. That's full blast. That's completely off. And I can sort of get anywhere in the middle there. There we go. So yeah, if as you can see, when the light's on the button, then you can hear the effect. And if the light is pulsing, then you're adjusting the parameter on the corner of the button that you pressed. So there you go. That's the double button.